In this video, I'll show you how to make $100 per hour just by watching videos. That's right, you can earn money by simply watching videos online. How do you do it? We're about to find out. This is a great way to make money online, and it's extremely easy to get started. All you need to do is find a few videos that you're interested in and start watching. Of course, not everyone who watches my videos will be subscribed. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. That way, you'll be one of the first to know whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. And of course, you'll be able to make the most money possible. Just imagine, you could make money every time you click on a new video. You could earn money while you're relaxing and watching your favorite videos. Wouldn't that be great? Here are some of the most convincing payment proofs I've seen. As you can see, people have made money from watching YouTube videos on these 4 sites. I'm so thrilled to be able to share this great opportunity with you. If you want to make some extra cash, here's how much you can earn by working on just one website. You can make at least $18 per hour, and up to $100 per hour if you use 4 different websites. All of these websites are 100% legitimate and free to join. So make sure to watch this video all the way through to learn about all the different websites you can use to make money. I'm excited to share this information with you because it's available worldwide. But before I explain how you can do this, let me know in the comments what is your preferred payment method. That way I can make sure that every single video I'll release is meant for you. So drop your preferred payment method in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. The first website on our list is called 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞. As you can see here, they have over 934,212 members and were established since 2007. So you can basically earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly watching videos. And 200 payments have already sent out to people all around the world. In order to sign up for a free account, all you got to do is just click on the button that says sign up free, and that will then take you to the page where you can see right here, sign up. It's free. Now you're just going to enter your email address, create a password, fill out your full name, username, gender, and date of birth, and choose your country of residence by clicking this drop-down arrow. So as you can see, they are accepting people from all countries around the world. You can just type in YouTube and then click register. And from there you can watch a simple YouTube video for about 30 to 60 seconds and get paid. By doing so, a shorter video will pay you less money while a longer one will pay you more. As part of the bonus tips, what I usually do is I just mute the video and let it play in the background without actively watching it. And generally, I open up multiple tabs, and in every tab, I open up different videos. By doing so, you can make more money in less time. Another thing that I usually do is make use of both my smartphone and laptop to watch different videos, so that I could speed up the earnings. If you want to watch YouTube videos faster, there are a few things you can do. One is to click on the settings gear icon and then click on playback speed. You can double the speed of the video, which means you can watch a 32-second video in just 15 seconds. This is a great way to make money faster by simply watching YouTube videos. Another tip is to turn down the quality of the video. By default, it should be set to auto, but you can choose 144p instead. This will save data connection and save more time if you have a slow internet connection. Now moving on, the second website on our list where we can watch videos and make money is called bucksinside.com. Paying users every 10 seconds is one of the great advantages of this website. You can watch a very short video, like 10 seconds, and get paid. The best part is that you can cash out instantly. Once you reach the $2 threshold on their website, they show you the latest 250 payments sent to people from all over the world. The website is accepting people from all countries and is very transparent when it comes to payments. All the payments are displayed with the user's country's flag, and you can see all the payment methods including PayPal, AirTM, Coinbase, Perfect Money, Advance Cash, and more. You can also see the user's total earnings. For example, this guy right here has total earnings of $956. Just watching videos on this website is incredible. The next guy has total earnings of $1,479, and this one has over $2,385, even over $5,900, which is crazy. This is just from one website. Now make sure to keep watching to know all of these 4 websites before you go in and try them out yourself. So, in order to get started with bucksinside.com, you need to sign up for a free account. To do so, just click on this register button and that's going to take you to the Bucks. You will need to create a username when you register. You can just leave the referral section blank. Choose your preferred payment method from the options below. You can cash out using PayPal, Advance, Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, or RTM. I personally prefer PayPal because it is more convenient. If you are like me and would like to comment, let me know below. You can choose your birth year and then select what they are asking for at the bottom of the page. This is just to prove that you're not a bot. After that, just click on Register right here. FusionCash.net is the 3rd website. The best thing about this website is that they pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see, they give you a $5 sign-up bonus, 100% free for just signing up for an account. All you have to do is click on the button that says, Get $5, so you can register for a free account. Fill out your username, email address, password, and zip code, and click on the Register button. One thing to take note is that you must confirm your email address. Check your inbox for the verification link. Once you're done signing up, you can watch different videos and start making money. You can also complete different tasks, download mobile apps, play games, and refer friends to make money with FusionCash.net. Irazu.com is the 4th website on our list where you can watch videos and make money. This website is definitely legitimate and you can earn free gift cards and cash. As you can see, this website has been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and also on the Wall Street Journal. Irazu is a great way to earn points that you can convert into gift cards or cash rewards through PayPal. You can earn points by watching videos, downloading apps, taking paid surveys, completing offers, and playing games. It's easy to get started, just sign up and start earning. I personally prefer PayPal because it is more convenient. If you agree, let me know in the comments below. To set up PayPal, just select your birth year and then choose the appropriate option at the bottom of the page. Irazu is a great way to make some extra money. To sign up for a free account, just click on the Get Started button. You can join using your Facebook account, or you can manually fill out your email address, first name, last name, and password. Once you've created your account, you're ready to start earning. This is what your dashboard would look like if you were to sign up for the rewards program. You can earn free points by taking a few minutes to set up your profile and answering some questions. You can also verify your email and upload a profile image. Once you have done all of this, you can click on the Reward Store button. From there, you can choose your country. If you are from the United States, you would click on the US button. If you are from Canada, you would click on the Canada button. If you are from any other country, you would click on the Any Country button. The only way to get paid on this website is through PayPal. So, if you want to make money online by watching videos, you need to have a PayPal account. You can receive your earnings via PayPal by simply watching videos. And that's exactly how you make money online by watching videos. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.